Yeah, hello YouTube. Today I'm continue working on my 2006 Mercedes CLS, and this story looks like it's continuous. So in the last video, I showed how I disassembled the door handle, and the reason why I started to do that, I was thinking I will able to fix this button, but I end up to broke it, and it's time of the other topic, but never mind. So I ordered the brand new door handle. You see it's unpainted, it's just uh, ground code, and here is the number. This is the original from the website who's selling the genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. But interesting fact, after I connected to test, so I discover the weird thing. Uh, don't look at the handle, so I thought I will send it to the body shop to repaint it, and I opened the upper cover, but I was too fast before I start to test it. Okay, you see right now the car is locked, and basically to unlock it, so I need to press the inner button, but looks what is happening when I press the inner button. The car is not going to unlock, and if I'll press this knob button, the car is unlocked. So let's say somehow the function of the door handle is switches. You see, I will press the inner button to unlock it, and you will see it will get closed. Okay, right now I'm pushing it and pressing the knob. Isn't kind of weird situation. So the basically I have the conversation in one Mercedes-Benz forum, and the guy, there is two guys, they have the similar problem with the new door handle replacement for this platform, 2000 W211 W219, and we are thinking maybe is the factory bad defect replacement parts, maybe something wrong with this particular door handles. So my next step, I've already ordered the door handle from the eBay, and when it will come, I will connect it and I will take a look if it will start to work normally how it is supposed to be. That will tell me we with those guys we are dealing with factory bad portions of these door handles, and then I'll probably repaint that handle and forget about it, because this is kind of frustrating. This is really frustrating me. Should close it, but it's opening. When I press it to open it, it's closing. And on the other door handles, everything is fine. And before there was no any problem with door handle instead of the key button, so it was opening from the pressing from inside, but didn't closing from pressing from outside. So I was using the knob from the rear door handle. Okay, I'll update. Yeah, and by the way, the resetting the battery didn't help, so I thought maybe the battery reset will help, but it didn't help. So basically, today I was installing this door handle after battery disconnect, so I was still doing the same. So I post some comments on the some MBZ Master YouTube channel, and he responded to me. So make sure wiring and plug was connected the right way, not upside down, and if it's correct, you need to find which wire locks and which unlocks. Then you touch the button using a voltmeter, cut bolt and reconnect, vice versa. So Basically, I don't want to cut the wires. I found a way how I can disassemble this plug, and I'm going just to swap the pins. Okay, so this is my brand new from the factory door handle, so I don't want to scratch it. And so what I discover, to remove it, you need to put it kind of from the sides and kind of pray it, yeah, just like that. There is a small pin inside, I don't know if you can see. So basically this is how it works. Okay, then we see this plastic covering clips. We need to unbend it. This plastic clip, we need to unbend it. So I put my flashlight, and now I'm going to press this metal pin, and in the same time pull the wire. Okay, I'm pressing the pin and pulling the wire, so it's not that easy. Okay, so the one is already got it. Okay, good. So now I can pull it from here. So the brown was on the edge and blue was on the center. Okay, let's try to, okay, seems like I need to do it again. Okay, just like that. So here is our pins, and then I will swap it. I forgot where it was. Oh yeah, it was here. So before the brown was on the edge, and right now I will put the blue one, and brown I put right here. So put right here. Okay, so now it's clipped inside, and I can put back the cover, okay, just like that. Okay, so we'll see if it will make any difference, but basically this is kind of weird, because this electronics anyway, it measures the resistance, and when it's measuring the resistance on the circuit, it basically doesn't matter how it's connected. I don't know, maybe with this I will broke something, but yeah, I'm kind of person who are taking a risk when we're talking about the electronics. Yeah, but we'll see what happens next. So okay, let's find out. So 2 1 1 2. Okay, just like that. It's in. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, basically doing the same. Popping the close, and it's open the doors, all doors. Popping the open, and it close everything. No, that's not working.